Today we are seeing what are the ethical considerations which are conducted during the clinical research. In that, first one it is a principles of an essentiality. The research begins carried out should be essential for the advancements of a knowledge that can be benefits to the patients, doctors and other aspects of an healthcare professions, and it also for the ecological and environmental well-being of the planet. Next ethical consideration, it is a principle of an voluntariness, informed consents and conformity of an or community agreement. The research participant should be aware of an nature of an research and the probable consequences of an experiments, and then should make an independent choice without any influence of an treating doctor whether to take a part in a clinical research or not. When the researcher treats any community or a group of persons in a research participants, these principles of an voluntarism and informed consent should be applied the community as a whole, and is also the reach the each individual member who participated in a research or an experiment. The third principle, it is a principle of a non-exploitation. In that, the research participants should be remunerated for their involvements in a research or experiments. The participants should be made aware of all the risks involved, irrespective of their social and economical conditions or the educational levels attended. Each research protocol should be included the provisionals of and compensations of the human participant either through the insurance cover or any other appropriate means to cover all the foreseeable and hidden risk. The principle of an privacy and confidentiality of the patients. In that, all the data acquired to the research program or purpose should be kept confidential to prevent the disclosure to identify of an individual participants, and it should be disclosed without a valid legal or scientific reason. The principle of an risk minimization. Due to the care and causation, it should be take all the stages of an research and experiments. The beginning of an research idea, formulation of an research design, then protocol, conduct of the research or experiments, and it should be subsequent applicative use to prevent the research participant from the harmful and adverse event. The EC plays the inactive role in a risk minimization. Next one, it is a principle of an professional competence. In that, the clinical research should be carried out only by the competent and qualified person in their respective fields. The principles accountability, transparency. The researcher should be conducted the experiments in a fair, honest, impartial and transparent manner after the full disclosure of his and her interest in a research. They should be retain the research data subject to the principles of an privacy and confidentiality for the minimum of an periods of 5 years, and by the appropriate legal and administrative authority if necessary. The principle of an minimization of an public interest and disruptive justice. The result of an research should be used for the beneficial to all humans, especially the research participants themselves and or the community of an which will they drawn the not only those who are the socially better off. The principle of an institutional agreements. If the required that all the institutional agreements required to the made of an in respect to the research and it is subsequent use or application that should be duly made in a transparent manner. Next one, it is a public domain. The research any research work done should be made up of a public through the publication and other means. Even before the publication, the detailed information in a clinical trial should be made public before the start of an recruitment via clinical trials registry system that allows the free online access. The principle of an totally of responsibility. All those directly and indirectly connected with the researcher should take a professional and moral responsibilities for the due observance of all participants' guidelines and prescriptions laid down in respect to the research. The principle of compliance. All the associated with the research work should be complied by the guidelines pertaining with a specific area in a research. For the research to be conducted ethically and will need to follow general principles laid down by the ICMR. In order to follow this principle, one should be aware about the informed consent process, vulnerable population, therapeutic miscommunication, misconception, post-trial access, and structure and role of an ethics committee. This concept should be hold special importance to the developing countries like ours. As the most often research participate in inadequate and economically backwards. These all about the ethical consideration while clinical research. Thank you.